grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today we have another daily market update. This one, I want to focus later on in the video on one key price target for XRP, which is $100. Can XRP get to $100? In my opinion, my updated current opinion, right? That is going to be one of the main things we focus on in this video. Also, we've got a bunch of altcoin stuff, HBAR. We have Bitcoin. There's a bunch of charts on Bitcoin that I'm going to show about how, like, dude, we're sitting at November 14, and the main prediction right now is $90,000 plus Bitcoin. So how is that even going to happen, right? So let's just hop right into it here. Starting off with altcoins, we got 2.8 trillion on the total market cap. The volume, if you notice, the 24 volume is way down, right? I believe it was yesterday, it was at 130 billion, but now we're sitting at 87 billion right there. We've also got BTC dominance still at this 43.1% level right there. Ethereum 4,500, Binance Coin 654. Just basically the standard stuff on the market. There's no really outliers, except Avalanche has been doing insane, right? That thing's almost at $100 right there. I believe that it did actually hit $100. Up here, oh, maybe it didn't. Maybe it did. Who knows? If we zoom out, this coin, I don't know what this is. This has been glitching this chart. Radio Gaga? What? Like Radio Gaga? Like the Queen song? Or what? The Queen song or Radio Gaga? Okay. I don't know what that is, but it's glitching this chart and showing up. But majority red today is a majority red day. It is Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Usually the markets are pretty slow on Sunday, and we do see that 84 billion volume to back that up. You know what's not slow, though, is Cross Wallet right here. Cross Wallet was one of my hidden gem picks that was given to me on live stream. And then I kind of made it one of my picks because I think it is pretty good. So that thing consistently pumping. Look at this. Over 7 days, we got, look at this huge wick right here. All the way to 42 cents. So if you had any type of limit order, I don't even know if you can set limit orders with this because it's only on PancakeSwap. So another coin that's just been murdering it for us is Erratix, man. 63 cents, dude. I'm up like 6 times my money here, or 5 to 6 times my money on this one. Radix is real good. Now I wanted to show you a couple of coins that I think could still do numbers like this. SushiSwap and Uniswap. And my reasoning behind this is because look at the chart. First of all, the 1 year chart, they did their normal pump. This got up to $42 in April, May, right? But look at this. It hasn't done anything since. So this is in for a double for sure. Uniswap definitely can double. And then look at SushiSwap. This SushiSwap went up to 21, 22, right? This could easily double as well. And I think do even more. And the reason is because look at this. The DeFi market cap. Have you ever looked at this? Total DeFi market cap. This is all the DeFi coins. Look, 178 billion. Dude, that's nothing. That is nothing, and we can see that that is nothing by doing this. Look, that's a flat line compared to, compared to this. It's basically a flat line. So I'm waiting for the DeFi space to absolutely pop and just, it'll just pop. It'll just pop and reach, I think DeFi will be 500 million, right? Right now it's, 500 billion. 500 billion. But these two, I think, are pretty good choices. If you want to stack something right now, like, to be honest, dude, you're kind of late. If you're trying to find 4X coins right now, like, I don't know, you're kind of late. But also XRP, you're not late on because that's still sitting at $1.19. The all-time high is about $4, so you can easily get a 4X out of that just if it returns to all-time high. And how the heck is a top 10 coin not breaking all-time high? All of these have also broken all-time high, except XRP. That's how I know we're loaded up for something crazy. Now, I've been showing this HBAR chart right here. Look at this. We still have not closed a candle like below this. So it is playing out in my eyes. This is just my analysis, right? This is coming to a point right here. And we're still waiting on HBAR 42 cents, right? We have this chart from Ethereum, or from Mozzie right here. Ethereum is going to melt faces soon. Take a look at the monthly RSI right here. We can see from 2017, there was this peak right here, bottom, smaller peak, you know, and then a September low, and then back up, like high back up, right? So look at this. Boom, peak, bottom, peak, September low, and now we're headed back up. So this, and his target with the 2.15 Fibonacci sequence here is 13K. 13K. Okay, right there. 13,000. My target is just 10,000 for Ethereum. Okay. Now, Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin right here. So, I showed this daily chart and I showed you how close it looks here, right? To the end of the month. So how the heck are we going to get to 90K? And I showed you that this line is the full moon line right here. This line. So if we just go to the 4-hour chart, you're going to see how much time we actually have with this, or even the 1 hour. Like, there is a lot of stuff that can happen between these two lines, right? Look at this. There's a lot of stuff. We could come all the way. We could do whatever we want between these two lines. But ultimately, Plan B, as we can see right here, is still saying that 98,000 in November and 135,000 in December. The prediction is still in play. The reason I focus on this guy so much, well, look at these numbers. There are 28,000 people liking this. There's 5,000 people retweeting this. He tweeted this 4 hours ago, okay? Those are the numbers. So people are paying attention to this one prediction. That actually makes me think it's not going to happen a little bit more, right? So just hold on. He says that his stock to flow is still lining up, right? 98,000. We're going to see, man. There has to be a lot of stuff that happens here. What's going to bring that there? Like, for real. I know Bitcoin can just do it without news. It could actually just do it without news, because it's kind of outgrown news for pumping, for pumping the price. Now, tech dev right here, closing a 2-week candle over the logarithmic 1.618 fib, which is right here, has sent Bitcoin up over the 2.272 twice before. So look at this. 2.272 is up here. This level's at like 210,000. Okay. Right here, we were sitting at the these are 2-week candles, so each candle represents 2 weeks of data, right? So keep that in mind. So when the 2 weeks are over, it makes the candle. It closes the body of the candle. So right here in 2013, we closed above it. Right on the 2 week, we closed above it on 2017, and we've basically are forming that right now above the 1.618. So 8 days until the close, right? 8 days until the 2-week close. But look what happened after that. These were the monster candles. This was the monster candles I've been talking about. Bitcoin puts in the monster candles, and look what it's always followed by. This is where you get wrecked. This huge candle right here with a wick to before the monster candle even started. This takes place in a 2-week period, by the way. So you have 2 weeks of heaven, basically, and volatility, right? The price is going down fast and up fast during this whole candle and this whole candle here. But ultimately, it's followed. Look, this one had a 2-week waiting period, but as soon as this 2 weeks was over, we were on the way down, basically, right? So don't get wrecked by this. And we know how to see that top. Like, it's 8 days from when, like, Bitcoin puts in the monster candle, and then we have a huge wick down, and then in 8 days, it touches the top, and that's the top. We've covered that before. So Bitcoin, I mean, I really, really want to see like 98,000. So basically what he's saying with this is we don't reach 98,000 or we don't reach 100K in November. So we basically bounce off 100K because it's the biggest psychological resistance ever. It's like the biggest level, dude. That will be all over mainstream news. That's why I'm thinking if we actually break 100K, it's going to 135K. Like, he's very spot on in this. So he's saying we reject 100K basically, right? And then we tackle 100K in December. Moving on, I want to show you and talk about XRP to $100. Okay, do I think this is possible? This was a question that came up in my live stream the other day, and I thought I did a pretty good job of explaining my thoughts on it. So what we need to look at this, or what we need to look at for this, is what XRP dominance was in 2017. Take a look at the peak of the 2017 run. Or no, not even the peak, right? Not even the peak. This was 2017. This was 2017 in July or June. XRP dominance got up to almost 10% of the market. Was almost 10% of the market cap of the total market was in XRP. And take a look at those numbers real closely. Bitcoin had 37%, Ethereum had 31%, XRP had 10%. And the rest had zero. Solana wasn't even a thing. Cardano wasn't even there. Binance Coin had zero. What else? Tether had 0.12%. Polkadot had zero. Dogecoin had 32%, right? Now, if we go, what's that at now? Look at how spread that is, right? Take a look at how spread it is. 42, 19. All of these coins have gained a little bit of the market share. So what I'm saying with this is, what do you believe the total crypto market cap can go to? I believe it can go to 100 trillion, 50 trillion. I'm very bullish on that total crypto market cap number. Okay, so let's just extrapolate or let's just guess that it's going to be 50 trillion one day, right? Let's just pretend like it's 50 trillion. Now you have 50 trillion in the market. Where is that allocated to, right? If it's allocated, let's say Bitcoin takes up 20 trillion of that 50 trillion, 20 trillion, right? What about these other coins? What about these other coins competing for that market cap, right? If XRP gets to 1 trillion, right? If it gets to 1 trillion, we're only at $22. So to actually get to $100, we got to go to 4.8 trillion, right? That fits perfectly. That fits perfectly into a prediction of 50 trillion market cap for total crypto, right? Because Bitcoin would be taking up 20 trillion, XRP takes up 5, Ethereum takes up 10, right? Just for examples, and then the rest fill that in. That's how you have to think about that. So in my opinion, $100 is absolutely possible. XRP is solving, not this cycle, next cycle. $100 can be possible next cycle. There's no way you're getting to 50 trillion market cap on crypto without any regulations, without the whole reckoning happening, which means they're going to regulate exchanges, stable coins, DeFi, NFTs, everything. They're going to take it all, and then they can push this however far they want because it's actually within their legal structure. So there's my little thoughts. Like, it can happen, but next cycle, right? It can happen. And that's why I'm so confident in selling and taking some of my profit on XRP this cycle, right? Because I can go back in with that. Now, there's my little spiel on that. That's my updated as of November 14, 2021, man. I've been studying this whole thing hardcore for, like, this has been the most hardcore year for me in crypto out of my 5 years in crypto, or 4 years in crypto. This has been the most hardcore study, right? Take a look at this. OpenSea volume has cracked 100 million again. So is this a sign of a new NFT bull market here? is this a sign? Because we've been down in the dumps, right? We've been down in the dumps for volume, but we just cracked 100 billion. Just wanted to show you that, or 100 million. Taproot. We know Taproot is the upgrade that came to Bitcoin. This is amazing right here. The additional of Taproot will bring additional privacy to Bitcoin users, but it is not a magic bullet. Improvements enabled by it will take time to see in practice. We still need additional upgrades. So basically, they're upgrading the dinosaur, okay? They're upgrading the dinosaur, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the dinosaur. And we have the contrarian perspective, right? Or like on the contrary, right? These people are all celebrating this. It's amazing. It is amazing. Finally, we get a damn update on Bitcoin, like something moving in the correct direction. They say this is bringing DeFi and smart contracts. Dude, we've been doing that, okay? We've been doing that. Like, look what Mr. Whale says, who recently has a new face, apparently, and his name is Max. Okay. Bitcoin developers have spent the last 8 years planning and building the Taproot upgrade, and it's useless. All it can do is turn complex transactions into simple ones, which 99% of alts already do. It's so far behind. It is so far behind. This is literally like, what's the example they always give? Spotify and, the other one, man. This is them trying to keep up with Spotify, man. Okay, last thing. SEC asks the court to subpoena against crypto startup Terraform Labs. Terra versus the SEC. We're going to see how that plays out. They're doing the CEO was served a subpoena. He proceeded to sue the SEC. More cryptos are coming down under the ban hammer or the hammer of the SEC. So that is all we've got for today. I appreciate everyone watching every day. Make sure that you follow my Twitter, Instagram, join the Telegram group, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.